Good day, guys. Welcome to my channel today, and this is my first project here. And today we are going to do a very short unboxing. And without much ado, let's get into it. Okay, so let's get to see what's in the box. I ordered this from Amazon. Yeah, Amazon. Okay, so let's get to see. I think that's a manual. Yeah, manual. It has got a sticker. Yeah, that Behringer sticker over there. And the manual contains different languages, English and other languages. Yeah. Okay, so to the main thing. Wow. So if you just want to set up a home studio, you can just go in for this sound card. It's very affordable. You can just check it up on Amazon. I'll just put a link in the description below. Go check it out. Wow. So it comes with a cable and the console. I get to see the cable. Okay, so the cable is a USB cable. Yeah. I think that's what I may say. It's a silica gel or something. Okay, yeah, it's a silica gel. Wow. That is silica gel. So this is the cable it came with. This cable goes to the console and it has a USB. Yeah, that's the USB. So to the console, it has various buttons, which because I've not really used it for a while, I have to get to know what's actually used for. So this is a dual male-to-male, which goes in there. I ordered this one too from Amazon. Doesn't come with the whole package, it's a different thing altogether. Yeah. So that one goes in there. The knobs feel so good. I really like the build quality. Behringer does a very great job when it comes to sound equipment. Wow, I really love this. It looks so cute and This can be so handy, and you can just take it anywhere. Yeah, it's so handy, so handy. I recommend this thing for any upcoming musician or any musician who wants to set up a home studio. Yeah, home studio. You can just go in for this to really help you with your production and other stuff you may be doing. Yeah, but then don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Okay, it's one of the ways you can do to help this channel.